This is an amazing new vision of the Sales Cloud, and we couldn't be more thrilled to have a phenomenal customer with us today. We have two great leaders from ADP. Please welcome Mike Capone and Ed Flynn. Guys, welcome to Dreamforce. Great to see you. Thanks so much for being here. You know, ADP is an amazing company, a company that has pioneered cloud computing. You've created the vision for this future way before anyone else came along. Can you give us a perspective? How are you using this new technology, and where is this industry going?
Well, you know, mobile apps are embedded in absolutely everything we do, Mark, and I've got 7,000 salespeople scattered across the globe, and just small lifts in productivity, keeping them out of the office and in front of customers is what it's all about. And so it's a reality, and it's cool, and our sales force is loving it.
Well, that's totally great. Mike?
So for me, it's just an awesome possibility, right? This war between kind of IT and consumerism is over. Consumerism won, right? So we all know that now. Our ability to drive that productivity that Ed talked about is really driven by taking advantage of the consumer apps, right? So everything you saw in that video is taking things that used to be drudgery for our sales force, going back to the office, going into that web browser, keying in sales orders, and now letting them do it on the fly, automatically capturing information so it doesn't need to be rekeyed, and never have them come back to the office. No one wants to come to a sales office and see a bunch of salespeople working there. We want them out with customers, and that's what this enables us to do.
Where do you see this going?
Oh, the sky's the limit. When you look at our reach and your reach, so you know, world's largest HCM company, world's largest CRM company, together the amount of people we can reach around the world is fairly unlimited. So just driving more, and this thing called the war for talent. You know, I think the companies that are going to win are the companies that attract the best talent. When you look at what we can do together, I think we're going to enable companies to attract the best talent.
Yeah, and I think the ability to target messages, you know, through social to customers is going to be huge. And I think, you know, it's possible people are underestimating just how powerful that medium is going to be. Listening to your customers and solving problems through the use of mobile technology is where it's at.
Well, guys, thanks so much for being here. I know so many customers want to talk to you. We couldn't be more thrilled. Please give them a hand, Mike and Ed. Well, if you were paying attention this weekend, the most exciting advancement in technology, and 1 million units sold on the first day came from our customer, Sony. And Sony's new PlayStation 4 has been a big breakthrough in what game consoles are and what this new connected world means. And now I'd like to kind of dip down and look at this incredible vision from an amazing company. Let's take a look at Sony.
With the launch of PlayStation 4, we are extremely excited because we put a lot of effort into making sure that we listen to our customers. It really isn't just about features, it's about the overall feeling of being part of a massive community of gamers. It means that we're constantly striving to keep up with their demands, and at the end of the day, we're only as good as the customers coming back day after day, playing and then purchasing PlayStation. Our products are connected by their very nature, so our customers are connected to all of their friends, they're connected to us. When we started thinking about all the data sources that we had, it was almost like, oh my God, what are we going to do with this? You know, we're sitting on this goldmine of information that really can enhance our customer experience. And the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud provides us the tools to really analyze the interactions we have with our customers in a real-time fashion that we haven't had before. When you get down to the fact you can see what people are playing and see how they're playing and how far they get into games and what sort of games they're playing, you really then can actually start to segment these audiences and provide a customer experience for them that actually they relish. We have conversion rates of almost 50% greater. And that's actually not just about selling. I don't think it's just about selling, it's about providing them content and providing them information. So when you get to a certain level within the game, you get a trophy. Well, we can see that data and we can say to our customers, you've reached this level, therefore you're going to get this free gift of a summer digital download. So it does feel very personal. It feels like actually somebody's bothered to take notice. The direct communication that we now do, whether it be web, whether it be mobile, whether it be email, whether it be social, is essential to the success because it's about the interaction between us and our customers. So it's a one-to-one communication that they expect. You know, they like to see the big brand campaigns, but they are becoming more active when these messages are much more targeted and much more relevant to them, because we have analysed the data and we can work with the data closer. And the ability to do the direct communication with the tools that ExactTarget Marketing Cloud provide really will make that success happen for PlayStation 4. And I think when a company takes notice in a way that's actually correct, as opposed to just pretending to take notice, then I think actually the customer will look at it and go, oh, okay, you passed the test today. Yeah, but you've got to keep coming back and passing the test every day.
Well, Salesforce.com has, as I said, been thrilled to buy 25 amazing companies, each with an amazing CEO and entrepreneur and leader. And this year, Salesforce.com made its largest and most important acquisition ever. And now we're deeply integrating that incredible company based in Indianapolis, Indiana, with Salesforce.com. And we couldn't be any more thrilled than to welcome their CEO, Scott Dorsey, the CEO of ExactTarget. Welcome.
Thank you, Marc.
Scott, we're thrilled to be part of the ExactTarget family. We're thrilled to have you back here at Dreamforce, this time part of Salesforce.com. And I know everybody wants to see this brand new technology that you're revealing here for the first time.
Let's do it.
Go for it. Thanks. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please give my hand, Scott.
Thank you. Welcome, everyone. It is so awesome to be at Dreamforce. We are thrilled to be a part of the Salesforce family. ExactTarget and Salesforce, we share a passion for the cloud, we share a passion for marketing, and we share a passion for helping our customers, like Sony Playstation, and so many of you connect with your customers in a whole new way. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud combines the best digital marketing technologies in the world. ExactTarget plus leading social marketing solutions from Radian6, Buddy Media, and Social.com. And together, we are laser focused on inspiring and enabling marketers. And today, we have several thousand marketers here with us at Dreamforce. Welcome, everyone in marketing. Together, we are creating the future of marketing. Salesforce has made substantial investments in marketing because of our fundamental belief that marketers are leading the Internet of Customers. In this new world where everything is connected, connected apps, connected devices, connected products, it's the marketer who is leading this business transformation. Gartner agrees, projecting that the CMO, the Chief Marketing Officer, will spend more on technology than the CIO by 2017. This illustrates the amazing opportunity each of your organizations have to invest in marketing technologies to get closer to your customer and to drive top-line growth. And business leaders across every industry care about getting closer to the customer. This recent IBM study highlighted that 88% of business leaders, 88%, said that getting closer to the customer was their top priority for realizing their strategy over the next 5 years. And it's the Internet of Customers that has forever changed marketing. Customers expect seamless, one-to-one, relevant experiences, like we saw from Sony Playstation, or we heard from Marc talking about sports teams in universities. And it's really the smartphone that has driven this transformation. The smartphone has become the dashboard to our life, enabling all of us and our customers to move effortlessly between the digital channels we use most: checking email, sending a text message, using apps, connecting into social networks, and browsing the web. And now, with the Internet of Customers, we can tap into this amazing world of connected products. I'm so excited to share with each of you that we've partnered with Ford to demonstrate how the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud can deliver targeted messaging right to the dashboard of this orange Ford Mustang. You have to check this out in our campground, and we're going to be giving away this car at the end of Dreamforce. I also want to highlight, you're going to see a lot of orange here at Dreamforce this year. ExactTarget's brand color is orange. It's how we refer to our culture. And we've transformed the Marketing Cloud brand to be orange. And we're everywhere through Dreamforce, and we're really delighted to be here. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud is the customer platform for one-to-one marketing, pulling together all those digital marketing technologies to help your organization connect with your customers in a whole new way. Email, mobile, social, bringing together listening and engagement, social publishing, and social ads. The web, and it's all connected through marketing automation. And at the core of the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud is data. Our platform enables organizations to integrate and aggregate data from any conceivable source. Salesforce contact records, service cases, web analytics data, e-commerce purchase history, to really form that single view of the customer and use those insights to drive relevant and highly personalized communications. And the Fuel platform makes it all available to developers, partners, and you, our customer. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud is marketing automation at unrivaled scale. As Marc shared, our customers power more than 1 billion transactions every day. Facebook posts, tweets, emails, text messages, web impressions. And our customers range from small B2B organizations to nonprofits to many of the largest B2C brands in the world, like Nike, Bank of America, Unilever, and The Gap. I have the good fortune of meeting with marketers all around the world. And today's marketer has 3 goals that stand above the rest. The first is marketers want that single view of the customer. They want to pull together all data they know about their customer and really understand them. Second, they want technology that maps the customer journey, moving the customer from one life cycle stage to a future stage. And then third, marketers want to drive optimized and personalized content across every channel and every device. Are you ready to see this technology in action? Excellent. It's my great pleasure to introduce a true visionary, our President of Technology and Strategy, Scott McCorkel. Welcome,
Scott, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. I cannot wait to show you the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. We'll do that this morning through a day in the life of Chris, a marketing director with Sony Playstation. The London-based PlayStation team we saw in the video has achieved amazing results with the Marketing Cloud, and we use that work today to inspire our demo. Let's jump right in. We begin our day with Salesforce1. Chris has all the Marketing Cloud applications and data all on his mobile device. The PlayStation 4 launch is top of mind for Chris, and here he takes an action to go into Pulse. Pulse is the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud's real-time dashboard. It summarizes all the interactions happening across all PlayStation customers and all digital channels. Chris sees email marketing, website performance, he sees everything. He also sees a summary here of his top performing marketing programs. And good news, everything is performing above plan. But Chris and his team have noticed an opportunity to engage more with racing game enthusiasts who are among PlayStation's top customers. So Chris is going to go over to Chatter in Salesforce1 and look for meeting notes from his team yesterday where they talked about this idea. Marketing is a highly collaborative and iterative function, and Chatter supports and enables that collaboration in a very profound way. And how many of us have taken a picture of a whiteboard with a great idea on it? Chris did this yesterday after the meeting, and we see this wonderful idea for a new interaction where when a racing gamer wins a trophy, we're going to reach out. What a great time to reach out and say, thank you, congratulations, and check out the PlayStation 4. Chris is ready to make this campaign a reality. And into the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud he goes. And everyone, for the first time on the Dreamforce stage is the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. It is the world's most powerful digital marketing platform. And it's the most easiest to use. We think that's a very powerful combination. Chris has every application he needs to manage his digital marketing efforts. He sees best in the world email marketing, best-in-class mobile marketing that includes SMS, MMS, in-app push notifications, location-based marketing. He sees the most important applications in the world to manage social media, listening, engagement, publishing, and advertising. And we see web and web personalization that is powered by the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud real-time predictive analytic engine. All of these applications are integrated in a way to achieve the 3 goals that Scott Dorsey just mentioned that we believe are the most important for marketers. The first is data and achieving a single view of the customer. The second is marketing automation and managing the customer journey across the entire customer lifecycle. And the third is content and delivering and personalizing and optimizing content across all digital channels. All of these applications in one place. Chris also has access to Pulse from the Marketing Cloud. He can see at this instant in time every interaction that's happening across the Sony Playstation customer base. And Chris has access to Chatter. And here is our idea from the whiteboard. So Chris is ready to create this idea. And we're going to launch into Journey Builder. Everyone, I'm 25 years into enterprise software. And this is the most strategic value I've seen delivered by any kind of software. Journey Builder has 2 important parts, what we call journey maps and interactions. Chris is looking at journey maps, which show him where his customers are in their relationship or journey with Sony Playstation. And Chris can define where he wants that journey to go next, the next stage. You see an example here. Sony has the PlayStation Network, which is a free service that brings together their customers, and PlayStation has a goal to move those customers to the PlayStation Plus premium paid network. And you can see the stages of that journey that Chris has defined here. Chris is going to extend this journey in an important way by identifying those gaming enthusiasts for racing and driving games. He's going to ask the Marketing Cloud to find all those customers that really show high engagement in racing games, and that will come back here in a moment. 4 million customers. Now, something very, very important is happening here. The ExactTarget Marketing Cloud Journey Builder literally sits on top of PlayStation's single view of their customer. For PlayStation, that's hundreds of attributes and data attributes about their customers and billions of records, all available to Chris here. Now, Chris is ready to create an interaction for these customers. Interactions are where we create engagement with customers. We create engagement to move the customer forward in a positive way in their journey. And here we see the whiteboard idea that is back on the screen. And we are going to use the event of winning a trophy to start a campaign to say thank you and congratulations. We see Chris building that campaign here. Chris starts by selecting the appropriate content. We'll send a push notification or an email, depending on the best way to reach that customer. The content Chris will select includes that thank you, congratulations, check out the PS4. And there's a very important part about how we think about defining interactions, and that's establishing the goal. What is the outcome that we expect, that we want from this interaction? And we want this customer to pre-order a PlayStation 4. Now, the screen that Chris has here is very important. We have a breakout keynote tomorrow where we'll actually build this. This is a visualization of Sony's common view, single view of the customer. And we're seeing the important events, the important customer events that are part of that single view. And Chris has just identified that ordering a PlayStation 4 is the goal of the program. Okay, we are ready to actually start this and respond to customer events. And we're going to actually go into the shoes of a PlayStation customer, a gentleman named Alan Wang. Alan is an avid gamer. He loves Need for Speed. And we have Alan playing here. Look in the upper right. You'll see Alan's superior driving skills rewarded with a trophy. There's the in-game trophy. That starts our interaction. Alan receives an email, here shown in Gmail. And Alan's a mobile guy. He's going to get this email across all his mobile devices. And they look perfect with the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud doing the mobile rendering and responsive design. Amazing. Let's go back in the Marketing Cloud. Now, this is really important. We're going to flash ahead 30 days for our demo. And the design canvas that we just used to build that interaction now becomes our analytic canvas. We hear from marketers all the time. We need more data. We have to have data at our fingertips. We need to see what's happening with our marketing programs. Here we see how many customers are in this interaction, at what phase of the process they are in, and then what is our goal attainment? How many customers are pre-ordering a PlayStation 4, and where in the process did that pre-order happen? Amazing analytics. Well, Chris and his team, they're not finished. They have been fascinated with location-based marketing and connected devices in public spaces to create fun, engaging programs for their most loyal customers. So Chris is going to define a new campaign here where he's going to locate where they've placed interactive bus stops. You heard that right? Interactive bus stops. And what will happen when a PlayStation customer that we just identified comes in proximity of one of these bus stops, we're going to send a push notification to their mobile app, and we're going to say, hey, glad you're in the area. You've got to check out the PlayStation 4. Why don't you come over to this bus stop that you're close to, and we have a really fun experience for you. And this is going to include a QR code that will be used to identify that person to our interactive experience and start the whole process. So we're going to activate this now. And we actually have Alan Wang. Remember Alan? We just saw him playing a game. I think we have a live video feed of Alan. Alan!
Hey, Scott. How's it going?
How are you?
Good, good.
Alan, congratulations. We just saw you win that trophy.
I know, that was great. But you know what? I just got this push notification on my phone, and I opened it up, and I've got this QR code that says I can log into this screen. I didn't know this was interactive.
Yeah, give it a try. Show us what happens.
Wow, this looks pretty cool. I guess I just show my QR code over here. And, whoa.
There we go.
You
yeah,
guys
it knows
have
it's
my
you.
profile here. That's amazing.
All right.
And, whoa, I love puzzles. Give me a second to try and figure this out.
Okay, Alan, you got it. And two very important points. The first, the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud creates customer engagement. And you can be very creative with that engagement. There's really no limit to the creativity you can express in the Marketing Cloud. And second, when we say common and single view of the customer, we mean that literally. As you see Alan complete the exercise, you look at the data record, his customer record on the right, and all the events Alan is going through are being updated. He just shared with Facebook, and we'll see that event come in real time, single view of the customer. Alan, great work.
Oh, that was so much fun. That's why PlayStation's so cool. Hey, Mom, did you see what I did? You want to say hi to Dreamforce?
So, hey, say hi to Dreamforce.
Hello, Dreamforce.
All right, thank you, Alan. So everyone, it's been an absolute pleasure introducing you to the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. It is the future of marketing, and it is an essential tool for you to manage the Internet of Customers. Thank you so much, and Marc, back to you.
Whoa, great job, Scott McCorkel. Woo! Great job, Scott. Well done. Well, you can see why we're so excited about the ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. You can see why we're so excited about the Internet of Customers. And now as we look to vision and future of what we're going to do next, we have a phenomenal executive right here. Please welcome Meg Whitman, the CEO of Hewlett-Packard. Welcome, Meg.
Thank you.
Woo! Meg, you know, this conference is dedicated to powerful women. We have heard from Petra, we're going to hear from Marissa, we're going to hear from Cheryl, but really that we all our thanks to you. Here you are, the CEO of one of the most important companies in the world, not once, but twice.
Well, thank you very
much.
much.
It's just awesome what you've done in your career. Thank you for everything.
Very much. Appreciate that. Glad to be here with you today.
Meg, you know, we're talking about the future of our industry. We're looking at an Internet of Customers. We're looking at everything being hooked up on the network. And we've had these amazing conversations, and now you are one of Salesforce's very largest customers. I want to tell you that we got so inspired by you. We got so inspired by your team, by John and others. Your work has been phenomenal, that we're introducing today something that we've designed jointly between Salesforce and Hewlett-Packard. We're thrilled to announce the Salesforce HP Superpod. And the Superpod is for Salesforce's largest and most important customers. It takes our best-selling, marquee, multi-tenant software, everything that you've seen here, and for large customers like HP, we're able to take your amazing technology, your converged infrastructure, your servers, your disks, all this amazing technology that you've architected since you've been at HP, put it together with our software, and dedicate it in our data center for our customer, a Superpod. We've never created it before. You inspired us to do it. We're so excited. I just wanted to thank you for that.
Well, thank you very much. We're delighted to be partners. And this is, I think, a real opportunity for every customer, because there is times when a company or a customer wants a single instance of Salesforce.com, whether that's in the healthcare industry or financial services or government. So the opportunity to have a single instance powered by HP's world-class converged infrastructure, I think is going to grow your business. I think it will grow our business. And most importantly, it will make it better for customers. So we are thrilled to be partners. And boy, you're doing some amazing things here. And boy, for everyone in technology, is this not the most exciting time to be in technology?
I completely agree.
It is
awesome.
Unbelievable. And it creates opportunities for every single executive in this audience, because IT is becoming more important every single day. I mean, who thought 20 years ago that marketing would be a technology business? Every business is a technology business, and we're proud to be part of that. We'd be proud to be part of your announcement here. So thanks very much.
Well, Meg, thank you so much. The HP Salesforce Superpod, it's awesome. Your converged infrastructure makes it possible. The leadership of John Hinshaw and his team makes it possible. And honestly, when you came to HP, you believed in us. You know, you had the choice at that point of any vendor, and we're very grateful for you for choosing Salesforce and the partnership that you've given us to help run the company.
Well, you all have been awesome for us, because we had to turn around Hewlett-Packard, taking one of the great icons of Silicon Valley and pulling it into the 21st century, and you all have been a big part of that. We are a customer-obsessed, customer-focused, customer-centric company, and in large part because of what we've done together with Salesforce. So thanks very much.
Meg Whitman, thank you. On behalf of the industry, on behalf of Salesforce, on everyone at Dreamforce, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see we're in an incredible new world. We've tried to paint a picture. We wanted to inspire you, excite you, entertain you, motivate you, and transform you into the Internet of Customers. And it's been an amazing keynote, but it's just the beginning of an amazing conference, a conference with all of you.